The same Instagram that you scroll every single day for free, someone else is also doing the same thing every single day for free. But do you know the difference between both of you? That person is making nothing less than $500 to $1,000 every single month, but then you are not making a dime. Now the big question will be, how can I actually make money just by scrolling Instagram like others are doing? Well, you have nothing to worry about, because in this video, I'm going to review to you a step-by-step beginner's guide on how you can actually make nothing less than $500 to $1,000 from Instagram, provided that what you watch this video to the very end. And the best part is that, well, no experience is required. Even as a total beginner, all you basically need to do is simply get your notes, sit by this video, and then jot down every single point I'm going to share with you, and you'll be able to also make money from Instagram through what we call the Instagram affiliate marketing system. And in this video, I'm breaking it all down. Now, how this business model works is basically simple. The step one, simply we create our Instagram account. Step two, we get followers, and then step three, we sell product to these followers. Now, this business model is what we term as the Instagram affiliate marketing model. So guys, before we can move on to setting up our Instagram profile, the first thing we need is simply picking a niche. So when we come to affiliate marketing, it's very important that you fix yourself into a specific niche. You don't have to talk about every single thing out there. So if you are getting started, here are the 4 niches I'm personally going to recommend you get started with if you want to make money through this Instagram affiliate marketing model. Number 1 is the motivational niche. In this niche, you basically talk about every single thing that has to do with motivation. Number 2 is health and fitness. Number 3 is beauty. Number 4 is relationship. And then the final one is simply the make money online niche. So guys, now that we have our niche ready, the next thing is simply setting up our Instagram profile. Now, do you know what we have to do here? We don't have to set up this profile like every random profile either. So for that reason, I'm going to take it straight on my laptop and I'll show you exactly how you can set up your Instagram profile the professional way. So guys, in order to start this, the first thing we need to do is simply set up our Instagram profile. And to set up your Instagram profile, all you basically need to do is simply come over to instagram.com if you're on the web, and if you're on the mobile phone as well, you can just download the Instagram app and follow the same procedure. So basically come over here, and then here's your sign up form where you can basically go and sign up. So I'm just going to fill in this form right now. So guys, now I'm done setting up the Instagram account. Now you see this option where they say you should try and follow 5 people. Now our advice is not to follow random people with this Instagram account. Only follow people that are related to your niche. So if you're in the health and fitness niche, only follow creators that are talking about health and fitness. If you're in the make money niche, focus on such people as well. So for this one here, I'm basically going to skip it and then go to the Instagram home. Now you can see the profile I created, Money Motivation 32. So this is the profile I created because I basically want to talk about make money online, and then that is all my focus. So now once you set up your Instagram like this, the next thing, simply click on where it says edit profile. So guys, once you click on where it says, now once you click on edit profile, it will bring you over to this page here. Now this is basically where you need to set in your bio. Now for your bio information, our advice to make it very simple and straightforward. So I will basically come here and say daily money making tips. So this simple, daily money making tips, nothing else, nothing more. Just keep your bio very simple and straightforward, because we are going to use the rest space in the coming chapters. Now the gender, you can keep it as prefer not to say. Show account suggestion on profiles, keep it on, and then just hit on where it says submit. Now the next thing, simply come over down here where it says account type. So let me look for it. You can see where it says account type and tools. Click on it and then come back to where it says switch to professional account. Click on it as well, and then switch over to creator, and then hit on next, and then just go next. Now you'll be requested to pick a category that you fall in. So you can just go for digital creator, or just put, since it's money related, I'll just put as finance, or you can just set it to entrepreneur, either of those. So let me just go for entrepreneur for this particular one, and then close off, and then next I'll simply just hit on done. So now guys, our account is set to a professional account. Now the next thing we simply need to do, we need to change our profile picture. So to change this profile picture, I advise you use something that is related to your niche. So for my, since about money making tips, if I don't want to use my face or anything, I'll just put a picture of money bag. So I should have a picture of money bag in here. Okay, so I'll just use this one as my profile picture. So now guys, here we have our profile ready. We've set up our Instagram profile. We picked a name that is related to our niche, and at the same time we'll switch to a professional account. Now it's time we'll actually get down to business. So guys, after setting up our Instagram account, we have 0 followers. We have 0 posts, 0 followers, meaning that what? We can't actually make money from it yet. So the next thing is simply we need to make some posts on this platform to start getting followers. And to do this, you don't have to stress yourself, because I'll be giving you a free AI that can actually help you create these videos. So what we basically need to do is simply we need to post more reels. So once in a while we can post images, but then we need to post more reels, because videos will reach more people faster and at the same time engage more people faster than the normal videos. So you don't have to use your face to do this, because AI will generate the whole videos we actually need. So for that, let's get straight to actually making these videos using a free AI tool. So to do that, all we basically need is simply come over to CapCut Web. Now this is available for both desktop and mobile users, if I'm not mistaken. It's CapCut Web, so don't open the CapCut app on your phone. Go straight to the CapCut Web, which is the internet version. Now once you come over there, you can click on this arrow here. Then you go for this option which says script to video. Now you basically come here. Now when you come over here, all you basically need to do is simply click on this pen icon here which says use AI writer. Now over here, make sure you select the type of information that you actually want. So we have the customized movies and TV, motivation, commercials, and co. So for this particular reason, we are going for customized. Now once you click on customize, over here you enter a simple information related material. Now the next thing, simply hit on where it says continue. So now once you hit on it, you just have to sit back and then it's going to generate this script for you. So once the script is ready, the next thing, simply come over down here, and then for your video format, make sure you go for 9:16, which is for Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and then TikTok. Next up is simply you can come over to the voiceover here, play with the voiceovers and pick which of them actually suit you. Now once you are done with all of that, just hit on where it says generate, and then come over to where it says smart generation. Now basically it's CapCut is going to generate a free video for you that you can actually post on all your platforms. So guys, as you can see here, CapCut has actually done generating the video for us. Now you can see the video. You can basically click here to preview it, or click here to edit it, or here to just export it. So for the sake of this video, to make things easier and faster, I'll just click on where it says export. Now over here at export, just change it to 1080p, and then come over to advanced setting, keep everything as it is right now, and then click on where it says export, and then basically sit back. CapCut is going to export this video for you. Now since our video is exported, you just have to sit back and wait for it. Now whilst you are waiting for it, once the video is done exporting, the next thing you basically need to do is simply you need to upload it on your IG profile. And to do that, if you just take it and upload it like that, you might not get much reach, like you are not going to reach more people faster. So what exactly you need to do is simply come over to ChatGPT, and then inside ChatGPT, just tell ChatGPT so you can see that it just generated the caption and then gave you the tags as well. Now basically what you need to do here is that you can see that it listed its own 5 make money online ideas. Now if this 5 doesn't match with the ones you use in your video, you can basically swap them with the ones you use in your video. So basically for the video it says start a blog, freelancing, and that. So I can basically come over here and then edit this one. Then you copy this one. Now with this hashtag you'll be able to reach more people as it works on Instagram. So now guys, now we are done with actually getting the followers, which is by posting reels. And another thing you can simply do is simply also repost other people's videos. So you can go to people's page, and then maybe once in a while, if you're uploading 3 videos, let me just say you're uploading 10 videos a week. So I advise to upload at least 10 videos a week. So if you're uploading 10 videos a week, what you basically need to do is simply you can upload 6 videos of yours and then 4 videos of other money making related videos. So basically what this means is that what you go to other profiles that also post and they talk about this make money related, mostly those memes. You can also take those and then repost it onto your platform. And whenever you take anybody's post and repost it on your platform, make sure that what you tag them in the description. And in order to make money, the first thing we need to do is simply pick an affiliate bank to get started with. Now for those of you who don't know, affiliate bank is basically the platform whereby you are going to get a product you want to promote. And in this video, I'll be recommending the 3 most popular and then the best ones you can actually go for. First on our list is actually ClickBank. We all know that ClickBank is the king of all affiliate banks because they have a lot, like they give one of the highest pay per sale when it comes to the affiliate marketing industry. However, ClickBank is limited to some countries, so in case you find out that it's not available in your country, you can just leave it and go to another one. But if you find out that it's available in your country, sign up for it. And then another you can go up with is simply Digistore24. Since ClickBank is not working in Ghana here and then Nigeria and most African countries, I basically prefer Digistore24 since it's very easy and can even pay to my own local bank account, which is my Eco Bank account, which makes the whole work pretty much easier for me. Next up is simply Impact Radius. Now, Impact Radius also is another great one. However, when it comes to in terms of commission and a lot of that, Digistore24 and ClickBank have the highest commission as compared to Impact Radius. But at the end of the day, there's no problem at all. You can also get some good products to promote here as well. So now guys, in this stage, we are basically going to pick the product we want to promote. Now when it comes to picking the product, here's one thing I advise to do. Number one, look for a product that offers a very good commission rate that you're going to make a decent amount of money from, even from a single sale. Number two, make sure that the product is not just a random product, but it should be a product that will actually deliver results to your audience as well. Now with these two things in mind, let me share with you how you can actually pick a product using Digistore24, which is my favorite platform. Now I basically need to do is come over to your Digistore24 account and I head over to where it says Marketplace. Now once you're at the Marketplace section, you basically come over here to where it says Business and Investment. Now for me, I picked the Make Money Online niche. So most of the product I'm going to promote will basically be in the Business and Investment section. Now most of you here, you might pick different things. So for those of you who go for travel, you can see travel here, trading products, sport, and then if you come over to health and fitness, you're also going to get it right here. So basically you can pick any of these niches and start creating your own profile about it. So for me, let me just go over to my section. Now just go to Business and Investment. So for example, let me say I want to promote this Millionaire Partner System. All you basically need to do is simply just click on it and it's going to bring it over to this page. Now on this page, you can see here simply the price for the product, and you can see that commission is 40%, meaning you are going to get 40% per sale. So before you start promoting the product, first thing I want you to do is simply click on where it says sales page. Now over here at this sales page, you want to see what this product actually contains and then do your own little research about the product before you actually begin. Now once you click over here, you are going to get the affiliate link to use. Now you can see that we have the link right here. However, this link looks too long for us to actually promote. So what we are basically going to do in the next section is simply making this link short and then finding where to actually place this link in your Instagram profile in order to avoid any sort of problem whilst promoting affiliate programs on Instagram. So search for this website here called Linktree. Now this is simply link in bio tool that we can actually use to create a single link, place it in our bio that will be linking to all the products we are actually promoting. So for that, simply click on it, link in bio tool. And then over here, just click on where it says sign up for free. Now over here, you simply input your email. So let me just sign up with Google. So guys, once you click on sign up with Google and then pick any email or sign up with any preferred method you want, it's going to bring you over to this particular page. Now on this page here, all you basically need to do is simply put in a username. So now I'm going to advise to use the same username you use on your Instagram. So for that, I'm going to use Money Motivation 32, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just get back to my Instagram. Yeah, Money Motivation 32. I want it to be the same name and I advise to do the same thing. And then click on continue. Now once you click on continue, it's going to bring you over here. So basically just click on where it says creator and then click on continue. Now over here, how do you want to make money? Now make sure you go for affiliates, click on continue. Now they are going to give you 14-day free trial. You can either go for it, that means if you want to upgrade later on, but if you are not interested in upgrading, just click on where it says skip at the top here. Now just go for their free plan, which is free forever. You are not going to pay a dime for it. Now over here, you need to select a template to get started with. So since it's money related, let me pick a very easy and nicely looking profile like this one here. Then click on start with this template. Now the platforms you are on, so basically Instagram, so select it and then click on continue. Now you can enter your Instagram username here. So for that, let me just come copy it from here. Now after that, if you have website, you can just put them in here. So I'm just going to click on continue from here. Now add a profile picture. Make sure I select a profile picture. So I'm still going to use the same money bag I used. And then this time around, I'll adjust the money to appear more. Click on crop, upload. Now that is a profile picture. Now profile title, make sure I put it in here. Now your bio can basically say and then click on continue. Just click on continue building. Now close this 14-day free trial. We don't need it. Now to add your first link, all you basically need to do is simply click on here. And then make sure that once you click on it, come over to your Digistore24 and then copy the product you want to promote link. So I'm just going to copy this product like this. Now I'll just paste it in here and then click on add. Now once you click on it, it's basically going to appear at the top there. So now basically let's preview our link in an incognito mode and see how it looks. Now click on the share button and then click on open my Linktree. So this is basically how our platform looks. So instead of we using this long affiliate link here, we can basically just copy this link over here and then come over to our Instagram, click on edit profile, and then see where it says website or even the bio section here. You can just put the link in here. Now here it says website. Now if you are on your mobile phone, you can easily add your website. You can easily add it here in the place of the website. So since I'm on desktop, it's not going to allow me to do that. I can only edit that on my laptop. So now after that, just go back to your Instagram profile and you see that the link will be added. Now you can see the link is right here, but then it's not clickable. So for you to add this link, you should just log in on your mobile phone. So once you log in on your mobile phone, you'll be able to add a link to where it says website. So here's a real place where you should add the link. Where it says website, this is where you should actually add the link. Now for the reason why I'm on my laptop, so because I'm on my laptop, I can actually add my link here. That's only available for mobile users. So now guys, with this method, it's basically simple. So after you add your affiliate link in any video you actually post, you can also say if you want to make money online through affiliate marketing, then you can check the link in my bio. That's why I see that what most of these creators keep using the word link in bio, link in bio. What they are basically doing is simply they've created a link platform like this where they are actually linking every user to. So if someone comes in and click on this link right now, it's going to move them straight to Digistore24, which is the product platform where they are going to buy the product, and that simple. So with this simple system, you can actually make a lot of money instead of wasting your time scrolling. Now you could be doing something productive. Number one, set up your Instagram profile. Number two, use AI to generate reels. Number three, you basically promote whatever product and then you get paid. Simple as that. Now guys, with this already said, hope you find this video helpful. So for more great tutorials like this, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, also turn on the bell notification as well. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.